Got that. Is it doing okay? Here, you get that side, I'll get this side. I gotta do everything one-handed.
Hold on.
Oh. Well, it still has a lid once you get this off.
I know, but...
Here's these guys. Here's these guys. Oh, there's dead bees down in there.
Yeah, they do that. Those dang bees are dying all over the place.
There's some.
There's some honey?
Yeah, there's some. So, see
this. Oh, yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
It's pretty. It's good honey.
Yep. So it's still there.
Yep, you got a lot of honey.
Yep.
Now, where were you seeing slime?
Further down.
That's all really good honey. And I believe that this is not being robbed, because if you had honey the other day and you have honey today, I don't think anything's taken it.
That's a good sign. So yeah, there's lots of honey in there.
Now this is open. Let's see what's in these cells.
Is that the...
It's nothing.
It was kind of like...
That looks like honey that had been eaten on through the winter. It's just the wax caps are broken.
It looks like... Is that wax falling out?
Yeah, it's wax falling out of it. Dead bees.
Some dead bees in there.
A little bit.
There was gooky stuff, but I can't see it.
Yeah. Are you talking about that stuff?
Yeah.
That's wax.
Oh my gosh, it's like falling out.
Yeah,
So they were just eating it. It looked wet.
Dang. You got good honey.
Is there... See these guys? What is that?
It's just a capped honey.
Capped honey?
Yeah. It has different tints to it.
It's going fast.
Yep. Nothing but honey.
What's that?
What? It's just...
Oh, where it broke down there. Okay.
Yeah, it's just...
See that broken spot down there?
Good news is you can go and...
So this is probably as far as we got.
Okay. Yeah, you don't have bees in here.
Yeah, you can tell, right?
Yeah,
Only
there's no bees
in here.
No, they're from my hive. They're just buzzing around. They smell something they like. There's zero activity in here. That should be... You got a wax moth.
Where?
That little spider web looking stuff.
Oh.
Let me see if I can dig him out. He's come up right over here.
What?
May not be in there right now. Yeah, you definitely got a wax moth in there somewhere. He's been having fun.
Well, that's a benefit of having a frameless. Oh, that's probably as far as I got. Now these are probably...
Look at everything. Yeah, these guys are just coming in, but you still got honey in there. I mean, that's all that is. Honey. I mean, I might not have bees over there. Now, this is interesting. This is capped brood. These were baby bees.
Are they
The
dead?
queen was working on this frame right here.
What are these black ones right there?
They were coming out, but they're dead.
Aw, they were being hatched.
Yep, they're little hatchers that they probably froze during that freeze.
Oh, there's more.
Oh yeah, there's
They got
gonna be
their
a lot more.
butts out and froze.
So in a small cluster like this, the hive would usually clump around, and the queen would be somewhere in the middle. In the middle of that cluster, even in a cold winter day, it would be like 90 degrees in there.
Yeah.
That's what they just
But
lay.
look, we have this window right here. There was no...
Yeah, you got no bees, sadly.
But we have an order coming.
Yeah. So, do you want to save this honey, or do you want to... Well, hi. Who are you? they belong to you.
What is that guy? He's in there eating the honey. Come over for a little bit of a taste.
They're just sniffing. Yep.
What
They're
is that?
robbing this out. It's kept honey that the bees currently are eating on. So I think that, I know that you're being
What is
robbed.
that white
It's a
one?
hive beetle down in there.
Yeah.
Little sucker. Die.
What is that white thing?
It's just wax. Just a little chunk of wax from somewhere. It's all down in the middle right there. But the good news is these are still good. Nothing is waxed over it. And even that one frame with the wax moth on it,
Yeah.
if you freeze it, you'll kill it.
Yeah. What is that?
Those are old queen cells
Okay, that's
from
what I
like way last year.
Peanuts.
Yep.
See, we never got into this side. It was just all
they're being robbed. These bees don't care. They're just like, it's like if I picked a flower they're sitting on.
You know what I could do is clog up these holes.
Well, little stuff will still get in there. What I would suggest is
take it out,
you
just
decide
take
if you
that.
want to take some of the honey, all of the honey, or what. And yeah, it's just more of the same. So like let's say you wanted to have enough honey for you and Dad. How much y'all eat a year?
Yeah.
A few jars or so. So you could take like, where's the first honey? Right over here.
It's like
this one. Yeah, it's this one right here.
you can take a couple of frames.
So you could take like that much, like 4 of these of honey, but then you take the rest of this, every one of these, even this stuff over here, and you freeze it. Ow.
Did it bite you?
I don't know. I think I got one on me. I don't
That's
know
weird.
how. But you'd take however much honey y'all want.
Mm-hmm.
What I would do is stick this in. Y'all have a big freezer, right? Y'all have a freezer.
We have a big freezer. It's kind of full.
Well,
It's called
It'd be-
not called a big freezer. It's called freezer space.
it'd be real cool if you could freeze this, because you'll kill anything in it.
Like the
Like
wax
that little
moth,
wax moth.
And freezing the honey doesn't matter.
No, it'll thaw out. So
Yeah.
you'll freeze it. And then like a few days before you get your package,
Mm-hmm.
you'll bring that honey out to thaw. You'll put it back in here, and you'll introduce that package into a hive with plenty of room. All this is open. The bees will clean all that stuff out.
Yeah. They'll clean
So-
out what they don't need.
Right. They'll
And we'll
do their
just get
thing,
honey
but then
that
they'll
much
be able
faster.
to they'll be able to start out a lot stronger
Yeah.
because you've given them. They didn't have to make all this. You've given them a really good foundation to work on.
Yeah. Look, see, ant.
Yeah. That's another reason you don't want to just leave this out here, because you can't keep ants out.
Yep.
They'll get it.
Yep. Okay, we'll
So-
just slide everything back.
Slide it back.
And Dad
that
will-
would be. You don't need you can put your suit on, but you don't need to smoke or anything if you come out to get these.
Yeah.
But yeah,
We might
I don't
take
know
the
how much.
dead bodies out
You-
from down there.
And that's another thing. Whenever you get all this out, just clean out the death out of your hive.
Yeah.
All the stuff, because that's just extra work the bees are gonna have to do later anyways.
Gotta be lined up right.
Yeah, you got a lot of good honey in here. So if you want to, that would be my suggestion. That's what I would do. But, you guys would probably be able to get enough honey out of this. You'd for sure be able to get enough honey out of this for you guys for a year.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised how much honey, these are heavy,
Yeah.
how much honey is on these right here. I mean, that's 30 pounds of honey. Or, well, not all honey, but it's 30-pound frame.
Yeah.
Of frames.
Well, there's no
Yeah.
foundation, so it's bar and wax.
Yeah. Okay. So, worst fears have been realized.
Yes. See, there's a cork right there.
I'm gonna cork it.
Is there just one, or is there, how many are there?
There's 3 open.
Oh. Well, no, that's another opening. Yeah, so. Well, okay. So we'll probably do that here in the next few days or so.
Okay.